Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2019 model Toyota Alphard, 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 34,000 kilometers mileage with service records. First owner, well-maintained, ending plate 0, personal use only, power doors, power tailgate, lazy boy seats, touchscreen monitor, leather seats, 2 sunroof, moonroof, captain seats, front and reverse sensors, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 2,388,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 728,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2024 model Toyota Corolla Cross GRS, hybrid electric vehicle, 1.8-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 3,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, CASA records, push start, panoramic sunroof, leather seats, touchscreen monitor, cruise control, power tailgate, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 1,698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 306,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2021 model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 37,000 kilometers mileage with service booklet, first owner, well-maintained, ending plate 4, push start, panoramic sunroof, 360 camera view, leather seats, power adjust driver seats, power fold side mirrors, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 798,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 169,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2017 model Toyota Avanza E, 1.3-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 126 kilometers mileage with service records. First owned, well-maintained, plate ending 7, all stock, all original, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price, 468,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 53,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018) model Hyundai Elantra GL, 1.6-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 83,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 1, central locking system, keyless entry, all stock, all power, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price, 478,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 89,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018) model Honda BRV, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 78,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained, fresh interior, 7-seater, auto climate control, SRS airbags, touch screen monitor, original spare key, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price, 658,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 150,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.